Now, President-elect Donald Trump is pushing to halt his sentencing set for Friday in his criminal hush money case. The judge in the case has ordered Trump to appear for the sentencing either in person or virtually after his conviction in May on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. President-elect Trump was found guilty in May of falsifying business records related to a hush money payment allegedly made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels in order to boost his electoral prospects in the 2016 presidential election. ABC News senior White House correspondent Selena Wang is joining us live now from West Palm Beach, Florida, with more. And so, Selena, like Judge Marchant indicated last week, right, that he would seek to sentence Trump to this unconditional discharge. I mean, what exactly does that mean, and how is Trump responding?
Yeah, Kana, so Donald Trump is trying to block this decision from Judge Marchant, saying that Marchant does not have the authority to proceed with this sentencing because Trump's lawyers, they're still trying to appeal Marchant's earlier ruling that the Supreme Court's presidential immunity decision does not apply to the New York hush money case. Now, the sentencing date that he's chosen for this Friday, that's just 10 days before the presidential inauguration. And Judge Marchant, he has indicated that he would sentence Trump to what's called this unconditional discharge. So this involves no serious punishment. So we're talking about no jail time, no probation, no fine, but it would leave that conviction on Donald Trump's record. So that means he would enter office as the first president to also be a convicted felon. This is a blemish that Donald Trump does not want on his record. So Trump, over the weekend, he made several posts blasting this decision. He said that Judge Marchant should be disbarred, and Trump's spokesperson is calling all of this a witch hunt, Kana.
Well, and you sort of touched on this a little bit, Selena, but can you unpack for me this issue with the previous ruling about presidential immunity that Trump's team is also pushing back on?
Yeah, so Judge Marchant, he is essentially dismissing Donald Trump's attempts to appeal this case, saying that the idea of this presidential immunity does not apply in this New York hush money case. In fact, Marchant argues that throwing out the jury's verdict would, quote, undermine the rule of law in immeasurable ways. And the Manhattan District Attorney's Office is also weighing in on this, saying that Marchant should not postpone the sentencing, saying that he should move forward with the date that's been set for January 10th, arguing that the court has already, quote, bent over backwards to allow Trump to raise his claims of presidential immunity. Now, Marchant has given Trump the option of appearing in person or virtually for the sentencing. And in his 18-page decision, Marchant had scathing criticism of the president-elect. He said, quote, the defendant's disdain for the third branch of government, whether state or federal, in New York or elsewhere, is a matter of public record. Indeed, the defendant has gone to great lengths to broadcast on social media and other forums his lack of respect for judges, juries, grand juries, and the justice system as a whole. Again, he's been signaling that he would sentence Trump to this unconditional discharge, but that is something that Donald Trump does not want on his record. They would not consider that a win. Kana.
All right, Selena, thank you for being here with us today.